What's up guys, this is Marc from Foodbeast, and today we're checking out Fruzion in Glendale, California, where they specialize in this Lebanese fruit cocktail made with ashta cream on top. It's the essential street food you'll find in Lebanon. Let's go check out how they make it. Alright guys, we finally got our hands on the Lebanese fruit cocktails. This is exactly how they make them back at home in Lebanon. Now with every fruit cocktail, they're always garnishing it with this ashta cream on top. And it's basically this sweet clotted cream. I haven't had one of these in about like 10 years since I've been back in Lebanon. That's so good. I'm gonna get an avocado in there. The ashta that I was telling you about, but it's actually in ice cream form, and then they top it with pistachios again. It's the perfect combination. I mean, this is the most iconic flavor of ice cream you'll find in Lebanon. Oh my god, I almost forgot. The ashta ice cream, they actually add a little bit of rose water in there to give it a bit more of a sweetness to it. It's delicious. I hope you've enjoyed the ashta and the Lebanese fruit cocktails as much as I did. I'm gonna keep digging in on this, but be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all your social media platforms that you're on. And if you want to be featured in our videos, hashtag your photos with hashtag Foodbeast YouTube. Until next time.